To successfully remove and replace a radiator, you'll need a number of tools to tighten, loosen and measure and level a radiator. You'll also need to know the distance between the valves to select the correct radiator being replaced. Another important distance is from the centre of the valve to the bottom of the bracket. This distance is between where the radiator valve meets the radiator and the bottom of the bracket. This distance can then be transferred to the wall, indicating the bottom of the bracket ready for installation.